Hello, Erin O'Brien here, and it's hotter than hell here in Cleveland, Ohio. I'm on my way to go walk the earth for 6 or 7 miles and try to figure out how to live my life without behaving like an asshole. Wanted to share something with you people. I thought it was important that you know what I actually look like when I walk the earth. Purchased these glasses for 88 cents at a local discount house. In fact, I own several pairs of them because I lose them all the time. And also, I make a certain noise when I walk, which the source of which is my shoes. And I wanted to share that with you, so I hope you can hear this. I also wear these completely geeky looking headphones in order to mute the ambient noises, and so I can listen to my iPod. Anyhow, that's about it. Carry on.